So guys, you want to head over to search and then type in view network connections. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter. If you want to disable it, you want to right click on it and then click on disable. Now it's been disabled. If you want to enable it, you want to right click on it and then click on enable. And now it's been enabled. If you're still having problems, you want to diagnose this connection. If it detects any problems, then it will fix it for you. Another thing you could also try is by heading over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to expand network adapters, and then you want to find your network adapter with the same name as the one in control panel. You want to right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search responsive for drivers. Make sure you have the best drivers for your device installed. You could also try clicking on browse my previous for drivers, and then click on it from a list, and then you want to install the one that comes up. Click on next, and install that. And now for the last step, you want to right click on your network adapter, and make sure that you have it enabled. So if it's enabled, it's going to say disable right here, and if it's been disabled, then it will say enabled. So just make sure that this is enabled. Now you want to restart your computer, and then that's how you do it.